guys, so for this video we're going to be unboxing the Best Buy exclusive Hocus Pocus steelbook. Now this thing was very hard to find in stores. I remember it took me a couple of stores to finally find it, but yeah, let's do this. Here's the J card. I don't know if you guys want to pause that. And here's the back of it. The spine. And then you have the front. Out of all my steelbooks, I think this is probably one of my favorites. And I don't know if you can tell, but some of this stuff is embossed. Like the eye and then little snakes right there. Alright, this is the inside of it. I don't know if you guys want to read that spell. There's more of the spell behind there. You have one disc. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully it's still around by the time you watch this video. If not, I'm sure you can always find it on eBay.